What is other storage on Realme device and how to clear it? The other storage on Realme device refers to some miscellaneous files that does not fall into standard categories like apps, photos or videos, which can include system cache, which is the temporary data stored by application and the operating system. And it could also be the app data, some of the residual or temporary files from application. And the next one, it could also be temporary files, which is all your leftover data from updates or installations. And it could also be some other unrecognized files, which are those files that the system cannot categorize, like corrupted or partially downloaded files. So in order to clear other storage on Realme device, what you can do is you can simply use the built-in phone manager. So the phone manager application is pre-installed in your Realme device. So for that, with the help of this search bar, you can simply search for phone manager and open up the application. After that, simply tap on cleanup storage. Now allow the application to scan and remove unnecessary files. After that, it will clear all your cache, temporary files and other unused data. So in this way, you can clear the other storage on Realme device. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.